Hi guys, I'm gonna make a unboxing video out of this packaging. Out of this package, but I don't know if these are the Bonsell the LR41 Bonsell batteries or what. We ordered like um some days ago. Let's find out. in in here I have the scissors, and oh my gosh, this is another unboxing video when I'm talking about the items, the um the 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 items that are on the package. So let's find out the scissors. And here I got these scissors. Let's open the package. Oh, you thinking these are the all the LR41 Bonsell battery. You know. Oh yeah, I think these are the all I know the LR41 Bonsell batteries, as you can see. You can see it better. Let's continue with the other one, but I don't know if this is the only packaging or what. Let's see. Let's find out. No, but I think there are some more packaging. You have more. You have spare. Have have like 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 it like extra batteries. Of I mean of LR41 Bonsell batteries for my 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 oh yeah, my small battery operated stuff. I don't know if those would fit on my spinning tops or what. But here we have it, guys. Here's all three of the package, the the of the LR41 Bonsell battery packages. Yeah, I think those are these ones, and these ones are not rechargeable ones. They are all alkaline ones that I need when every time my uh, some of my little battery operated stuff runs out of batteries. Those batteries, of those batteries, these are the so all the ones that I would have. And thank you guys for watching. And thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Drop a like, subscribe to Santiago Restrepo, and turn on my post notifications, and write a comment below this video. Thank you all of you guys for watching, and bye. And think I am. And bye.